Welcome to our tutorial on managing video playback in the ESPN app. If you're finding auto-playing videos distracting or data-consuming, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable autoplay. First, open the ESPN app on your phone. Next, look toward the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Then, scroll down and select Video Settings. Here, you'll find options related to video playback. Finally, under Autoplay settings, choose Never Autoplay Videos. This will prevent videos from automatically playing when you browse through the app. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more streamlined and data-efficient experience on the ESPN app. Remember, you can always adjust these settings as per your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.